Night falls over the Abura Valley, and a different kind of life begins in Medellín. The city doesn't just get dark, it transforms. It wakes like a magnificent creature, stretching after a long sleep. You step out onto the street and immediately you are part of it. A palpable energy starts to hum in the air, a low steady vibration you can feel in your chest. The tropical air feels soft and inviting. The night pulls you in with gentle, irresistible allure. This is the magic of Medellín after sunset. Its energy is a tangible force made of 1,000 small details. A distant thrum of reggaeton, cheerful chatter among friends. Lights paint the leaves in green and gold. A shared understanding that the night is for connection and laughter. People flow through bars, restaurants, parks, relaxed yet full of anticipation. If this glimpse of Medellín moves you, subscribe and stay to the end. Check our playlist for more travels. Now, let's dive in. The first thing that captivates you at night is the light. Not harsh glare, but a rich tapestry of illumination. Cobblestones aglow, lush greenery framing the walk, neon flashes pink, blue, electric green, each a beacon inviting you closer. Candlelight dances in animated conversation. The city becomes a living painting of light. Then the symphony of sound washes over you. Low foundational beats, deep reggaeton from a nearby club, a live salsa band, sharp taps and bright horn melodies, rapid Spanish, hearty laughs, and a toast. Every bend reveals new sights and sounds. Quiet whispers, loud dancing. The city shifts moods through music. The sounds invite participation, loosen up, and join. A collective voice. The city plays music with you. Tap your foot, nod your head, take a step. Rhythm breaks barriers and connects everyone. Inevitably, you find your way to Provenza. Tree-lined streets and effortless charm. This is Medellín's chic heartbeat. Refined and relaxed, yet buzzing with youthful energy. Quality and atmosphere reign. A place to savor the night. Stylish, never standoffish. Fairy lights cast a magical canopy over sidewalks. Modern forms meet historic textures. Spaces that breathe with the street. Beautifully arranged tables invite lingering. Expert cocktails, artfully presented plates. Fresh herbs, smoky grills, and heady spices in the air. Provenza engages every sense. Warmth extends to everyone walking its streets. Local pride in craft beers and updated traditions. Stylish, confident, welcoming. Provenza embodies the new Medellín. If Provenza is the heartbeat, Parque Lleras is the roar, the epicenter of high-energy nightlife. With each step, sound swells and crowds thicken. Raw joy electrifies the air. This is where the city comes to let loose. A massive open-air meeting ground. Venues spill music into the streets. Salsa, reggaeton, electronica, vallenato, pulses of light reveal beaming dancers. A vibrant international mix in motion. Bottles passed, doors opening to packed floors. Carnival energy everywhere. No cover needed. Just be present and move. Mingling is effortless. The city invites connection. Passionate, confident movement everywhere you look. Plug into Medellín's power source. Loud, chaotic, thrilling. A night you won't forget. Swept away by Medellín's wild, beautiful spirit. You'll be struck by the grace and presence of the women of Medellín. A quiet self-assurance. Never arrogant. Strength from within. Laughter that shines from the eyes. Pure joy. Natural rhythm on the street and the floor. Style as self-expression. Celebratory and proud. Warm, open, and commanding respect in equal measure. Proud to share culture, inviting you into the story. Confidence rooted in resilience and love for life. Its pull goes beyond beauty and music. Here, joy is an active practice. A culture designed for connection, not exclusion. Open, fluid, easy to meet and mingle. Music as a universal language. The night feels cinematic, every moment heightened. Profound talks and euphoric dances in one evening. Authentic, life-affirming energy, men and women alike are drawn to it. No night is complete without the flavors of Medellín. Crisp shells, hearty meat or potato, comfort bowls and perfect arepas. Bold, honest, deeply satisfying. From asado to refined fusion, choices abound. Sharing a picada sparks camaraderie. Food as social glue and celebration. Start simple with a cold local beer. Then tropical, passion fruit, mango, lulo. Aguardiente shared fuels the festive spirit. Whether high-end or humble, the table becomes home. Between bites, friendships are forged. The flavors are essential to the city's perfect night. Enjoying this guide? Hit subscribe and keep exploring with us. Slow down, sit together, let connection take root. And when the beat calls, follow. At the heart of Medellín's nightlife is dance. It is the city's language of joy, connection, and culture. Salsa, fast turns, and vibrant conversation between partners. Bachata, slower, sensual, and close. Accessible and warm. No judgment, only encouragement. A smile and a willingness to try are all you need. Trust and communication create instant bonds. Shared rhythm becomes shared joy. Music, energy, people, converging in one expression. As dawn hints, the city doesn't stop. It breathes. Wild turns to warm. Goodbyes linger in the glow. You carry vivid moments, not a blur. A rare blend of euphoria and genuine connection. It's the people who call you back. Come to Medellín, feel it, taste it, dance it. Subscribe, stay to the end, and dive into our playlists for more. Leave a little piece of your heart, and return to dance once more.